Good morning. It's 6:30 a.m. I look like a hot mess clearly because I was just laying in bed, but I've been up since 3 a.m. because Allie got up for feeding at 3. And then look at my cute mug. I'm gonna make some coffee. The little Disney ears. It's from Five Below, by the way. Allie got up for a feeding at 3 a.m. and then she would not go back to sleep. She didn't fall back asleep until like a little bit past 4:30, I think, like maybe around 4:30, 4:40. That's when she finally fell asleep, and then by then my boyfriend was already up getting ready for work. So I kind of just stayed up. The thing with me is that once I wake up, I can't go back to sleep. Now, like before I could, but now since having Allie, I can't. I don't know why. Look how tired I look. Look how tired I am. But so I couldn't go back to sleep, even though she's been sleeping since 4:30 and it's already 6:30. She's been sleeping for like 2 hours already. She's about to get up for another feeding, but yeah. So I'm just gonna make coffee. Call it a day. I'll just nap later, hopefully. Coffee creamers of choice. And I just use the classic rose cake cups from Great Value from Walmart. And heat it up a little bit more because it gets kind of cold after I add my creamer and stuff. Plans for today: nothing. To take care of my child. That's all I do all day, which obviously, but I feel like I need to get out of the house. Yesterday we went actually to I had to pick up an order from Carter's, and then I'll show you guys what I got. It's just some PJs for the girly, and then I ordered matching PJs for me and my boyfriend for Christmas. This is size 3 months though, because this is the next size up after newborn that they had. And she has these in newborn already. My sister got them for her. But newborn onesies are starting to fit her really, really like snug lengthwise because she's growing tall very fastly. Very fast. I can't think. So I ordered her the 3 months one, but the 3 months one looked huge. She is not that big, but we'll see. But I ordered these in case the newborn doesn't fit her by Christmas Day, because I want us to all wear matching Christmas PJs. So I got my boyfriend and I matching. It's not onesies though, it's like a 2-piece shirt and bottoms, but those are not ready for pickup yet. But anyway, picked that up, and then I also went to TJ Maxx. I was looking for something for a gift for my sister. I couldn't find it. I saw it on TikTok, but I couldn't find it. But it was nice just going out, even if it was literally for like, we were there for like so little, but it was nice because I'm like stuck at home every single day, and I'm just, I don't know, my brain is just, I just need to get out of the house more. But today, we just fell on this, something fell on my coffee. Today I have laundry to do, which I'll probably get started on that right now, and then what else did I say I was gonna do? I said I was gonna do something else. I forgot. But later I might go with my parents because my boyfriend's gonna go to his parents' house. For it's like the Virgen de Guadalupe's birthday, I think. I'm not very like religious at all whatsoever, so I don't know anything about that, but he's gonna go with his parents for that. And then it's too, I think they're gonna be like outside and stuff. I think it's too cold to bring the baby anyways, but I'm not religious, like I said, so I don't really feel like I belong there anyway. So my boyfriend said he would take me to my parents' house, so I'll go there for a little bit probably later, around 4ish. But yeah, let me go check on the baby. I hear her waking up, but I'm gonna just do a load of her laundry. My boyfriend has a bunch of laundry, like it's like stacked up, and I also have a bunch of laundry stacked up, but I'm gonna do hers first because we need all her clothes washed. sure she'll wake up right now with the noise. She's actually pretty good at not waking up with noises, but I think right now, since it's kind of her wake time already, she's gonna be like triggered with anything. She's awake. Oh my god, the flash turned on. She's up and she's hungry, so I came rushing to make her bowl before she gets mad. She's typically drinking 2 ounces, 2 to 3, depending just on how hungry she is. Oops. And we are currently using sensitive formula because she has constipation, gas issues. Gotta be quick with this because she gets hangry, and I'm gonna wash her bottles right now because then they all get dirty and then it's such a drag to wash all of them at the same time. Let's go to Hangry Mama. Ooh. Okay, I finished tidying up the room a little bit. No, like it's still pretty messy, but like I had this corner right here with a bunch of the baby stuff that was just a disaster. So I put most of it away. I just left our size 1 diapers that she's not using yet on here. And then that little bin has burp cloths in there that we use 24/7, and then her little like lounger thing right there that she doesn't use that often. She doesn't like it that much, but she uses it sometimes. So I left it there. And then in that bag, in those 2 bags, I have makeup that I don't want anymore. So I just have it there, and then eventually I'll see if my cousin or my sister wants anything from there, or my mom. Oh, and then I also folded all his clean laundry because this guy, you guys, he had a bunch of clean laundry, literally all this, and he just threw it on the floor because he didn't want to fold it and put it away. So I folded it for him, and then I'm gonna let him put it away wherever he likes to put it away, like where everything belongs. She's crying, so she's gonna be hungry soon, so perfect timing. And then I have the baby's clothes drying right now, and I have a load of my laundry going. So the plan is to hopefully finish, the goal is to hopefully finish, oh my god, look at my underwear, hopefully finish all my laundry and then start my boyfriend's laundry too, because his basket is like full. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done here. It's still pretty messy. My boyfriend has his shoes everywhere, but progress. So let me get this girl because she's getting cranky and change her diaper and see if she's hungry already. It is already past 10:13. We're struggling a little bit because she has cramps, like her tummy hurts because she can't go to the bathroom. So struggling for her to go down to sleep. I laid her down on her bassinet right now. She's laying in here, but I heated up like a little cloth and I put it in her belly so that way it's nice and warm, and I wrapped her in her blanket. And she seems a little content right now. She was like crying right now because her stomach hurt so bad, and you could tell the way that she like moves and stuff. She's trying to push. Hopefully that calms her down and she can take a nice little nap. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm gonna have a protein shake today. Today I'm gonna have a chocolate shake, and I'm just gonna have a banana on the side because why not? Just to hold me over until lunchtime. I'm probably gonna have, I don't have cauliflower. I wanted chicken and cauliflower rice with veggies with How was that? Just with a little bit of soy sauce. But I don't have cauliflower, so we'll see. I think I have broccoli, so maybe we'll do broccoli. I think she's gonna cry, so I gotta go. I don't even know what I have for this vlog, you guys, but I'm gonna call it the ending to it. I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.